hao, Mark.
Ni hao, Colin.
So first of all, thank you for inviting us all the way to Taiwan. Why?
Well, we've represented actually 4 Taiwanese companies for a long time, and I wanted to bring you up to date with their latest developments. We're presently on ITEXACT stand. You might recall ITEXACT, well known for their rotary tables, indexing tables, and they've been producing these for many years, a couple of decades. What they've developed now is an electronic chip that will help them move forward with Industry 4 on the horizon.
Okay, so monitoring of their rotary indexing tables.
Exactly that, yes. What has happened is they've joined forces in a consortium. There are 20 machine tool accessory manufacturers of Taiwanese origin who have joined the National Formosa University consortium to develop protocols of ways to communicate with machine tool controllers so that the accessory can be monitored for wear, real-time maintenance prevention. Also members of that consortium, there are telecoms and electronics companies, as well as the 20 accessory producers, and there are the 6 major CNC machine tool manufacturers of Taiwan.
So not only have you had those 20 accessory companies join in, you've had buy-in from 6 large OEMs. Yes. I mean, there's some that are well known in the UK?
Yes, certainly. Leadwell is one, Goodway is another. Right. There are 4 others that you'll see, I'm sure, as you go around the stand. So yeah, I mean, they're all working together to be able to upgrade, how you could say, reliable equipment to look into it beneath the surface to know what's going on. When will it need servicing? When will it need an oil?
Taking it to the next level. So Industry 4.0, active monitoring, real-time monitoring of these rotary tables.
Active monitoring and proactive servicing.
Okay. So what is actually monitoring?
For ITEXACT, it monitors things like vibration, balance, humidity, temperature. It will monitor how many hours production the rotary table has done.
So, in very simplistic terms, a bit like a car service, I'm running my car 1,000 miles a year or 100,000 miles a year. That it's not going to have one service a year, is it?
No, it's exactly the same as that. You know, as you look at the monitor, as you look on your telephone, for example, which talks to the hardware. You get a gauge that starts off as green, then it goes to amber, then it goes to red. As you reach the necessity for a service or some interactive action.
Okay. And also preventative, so it will identify if there's vibrations, as an example, if something is going wrong.
Exactly that, yes. So you would set thresholds for what vibration is acceptable. Yep. If that creeps above that, because perhaps a bearing has started to wear, it will send you an alarm. And it will say, yeah, you know, we need to look at this. Maybe we need to plan some time to replace a bearing. Yeah.
So preventive, you do it ahead of the breakdown, so essentially machine tools keep running.
Exactly, yes. Don't wait till it breaks, and then you've got to maybe bring spare parts in from Taiwan to the UK. Let's get those spare parts here before it breaks and plan some time to take the thing apart and replace the bearings.
Now you mentioned controls. What controls does it link in with in terms of the machine tools?
It will work. It works with all of the major CNC machine tool controllers.
Right. So yeah, your Heidenhain, your Fanuc, Siemens, Mazak, as examples.
Yes, all of those.
Active monitoring of the rotary tables for the engineer. Benefits though to the actual manufacturer?
Yes, certainly. The manufacturer will have if you like, a window into his hardware, where he can look inside remotely. He can notice that perhaps a particular worm gear or bearing needs replacing. He can then perhaps, if this is something that repeats, this is a problem that repeats, he can start talking to his supplier of that particular part, saying maybe we need to change the parameters, maybe we need to change the material, but it's the view that the desire is for constant improvement.
So essentially, in a very quick summary, keeping the engineers having their machine, keeping them running, and also further product development for the supplier manufacturer.
Yeah, spot on, Colin. Well done.